How much money do you think you've lost this year, just floating away? I'm talking about those crumpled receipts stuffed in your pockets, the digital invoices buried in your email, the tiny coffee expenses you swore you'd remember? Yeah, that money. It's a scary thought, isn't it? We all know tracking expenses is important, but let's be real, it's about as fun as watching paint dry. And that's exactly why so many of us avoid it. But what if I told you there was a way to ditch the shoebox full of paper and the endless spreadsheet battles? What if you could capture, organize, and report your expenses with just a few taps? That's where Expensify comes in. Think of it as your digital expense assistant, here to rescue you from the chaos of financial tracking. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to download the Expensify app. It's available on both iOS and Android, so you're covered no matter what device you're using. Once you've got it installed, create an account. It's quick and easy, and you can even link it to your company's accounting system if you're using it for business. Now, here's where the magic happens. Expensify's SmartScan technology. Simply snap a picture of your receipt, and the app will automatically extract all the important information: the merchant, the date, the amount, even the currency. No more manual data entry. It's like having a tiny, super efficient robot living in your phone. But Expensify is more than just a receipt scanner. You can also connect your credit and debit cards, so your transactions are automatically imported. This means you'll have a complete overview of your spending in one place. And if you're someone who travels a lot, you'll love the GPS tracking feature. It automatically logs your mileage, making it easy to calculate reimbursements. Let's talk about categories. You know, those little labels that help you understand where your money is going? Expensify lets you customize your categories to fit your specific needs. Whether you're tracking business expenses, personal spending, or even project budgets, you can create categories that make sense to you. And if you need to generate expense reports, Expensify makes that a breeze too. You can create reports in just a few clicks, and they'll be formatted perfectly, ready to be submitted. You can even set up approval workflows, so you can easily manage expenses for your team. For those of you who work with teams, Expensify offers collaborative features. You can create shared workspaces, assign roles, and even set up expense policies. This makes it easy to manage expenses for your entire organization. One of the most powerful features is the ability to integrate Expensify with your accounting software. Whether you use QuickBooks, Xero, or another platform, Expensify can seamlessly sync your data, saving you even more time. And let's not forget about the peace of mind. Expensify's data encryption and security features ensure that your financial information is always protected. No more worrying about lost receipts or stolen data. So, there you have it. Expensify, your secret weapon for conquering expense tracking. It's simple, powerful, and it's going to save you a ton of time and stress. Stop losing money to forgotten receipts and start taking control of your finances today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.